Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a group on Snapchat. Groups provide a convenient way to communicate with multiple friends at once. Instead of sending individual snaps or messages to each person, you can share content, updates, or messages with the entire group simultaneously. So, to create a group, you need to open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you get into its app, you need to tap on the chat icon from the bottom bar. Then, from the chat section, you will be able to see the new message icon. It is a color blue icon, which will be available in the bottom right corner of your chats. After that, you can see the different options here, such as New Group or New Call. So, choose the New Group option from here. Now, you need to enter the name of your group, and then you have to select the members of your group, or the people you want to add in this group. After selecting them, tap on Chat with a Group. Then, you can send text to your group, share your information with everyone at once, and have a group discussion in one inbox. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.